we've been talking of consumer, we've been talking of approaches of consumer equilibrium, but the main point remains is the budget. So what is a budget line? Budget line is in fact the income a person has and the expenditure which he does on buying X and Y units and gets maximum satisfaction. Once again, the maximum utility derived by a consumer after the expenditure that he makes out of the income that he has is the budget line. Supposing I have 10,000 rupees, I cannot spend 12,000 rupees. My budget line is 10,000 rupees only. I cannot go beyond it. That's my line. Now, the slope of the budget line. The slope of the budget line measures the amount which is changed in good Y, that is to get the required per unit X. So that will create a difference in the slope of my budget line. Whether I am buying more number of X or whether I am buying more number of Y, and how much I have bought Y or how much I have bought X and how much I have sacrificed X and how much I have taken more of Y, that will be the slope of the budget line. Well, the shift in the budget line which occur are, there can be change in my budget lines in my, that is, it is called as the shifts in the budget line. This will occur only if there is change in the price of a commodity. For example, if I was getting 20 rupees for a loaf of bread, I could be buying 2 loaves every day. But supposing the price becomes 30, I could be buying say 1 loaf a day. So the change in the price of a commodity will shift the budget line of a consumer. Also, the change in the income will also shift the budget line of a consumer. Supposing I was earning 20,000 rupees a month and suddenly I start earning 40,000 rupees a month, then there is definitely going to be a shift in my budget line. I will be consuming more because of my income, or it could be vice versa. I could be consuming less now because I am earning less. So the shift in the budget line occurs due to 2 factors, that is change in the price of the commodity or change in the income of a person. Now, consumer equilibrium. Consumer equilibrium lies on the budget line, that is the preferred goods and services that I get out of the money that I have. So, it lies on the budget line, that is the expenditure which I am doing, and if I am getting my preferred goods and services, that is consumer equilibrium. Once again, in layman's term, if I spend the income that I have on commodities from wherein I get maximum utility, I get maximum satisfaction, that is the consumer equilibrium, and it always lies on the budget line.